What's the meaning of authority? Authority. Authority.
Authority. Authority. Authority refers to the power or right to give orders, make decisions, and enforce obedience. It can be a formal or informal power that is recognized by others as valid. Authority figures can include parents, teachers, government officials, and law enforcement officers. The presence of authority can often lead to compliance or obedience from those who are subject to it. However, authority must also be used responsibly and ethically, as the misuse of authority can have negative consequences for both individuals and society as a whole.